Hey there, this is Travis. The next video is a quick one about the interrelationship of tech packs, patterns, and samples. These are three key items necessary to efficiently, successfully mass produce your clothing lines.
What we call the tech pack, which would have all the specific measurements, where the buttons go, where the vents go, all those details, and then those are like the instructions for our pattern maker to do your paper pattern, which is
It's like the silhouette of the shirt.
that's what get laid on the fabric for production. They cut around it, and that's how you mass produce these. So you'll own that pattern or whatever. We'll use that pattern to make your sample. Then before, like around the time we're doing the tech pack, I don't know if you'd want to make a visit here, or we could send you some swatches of fabric that we suggest, maybe based on feedback from you, and then we could actually order that fabric to have your sample made.
Okay.